Hi and welcome to our channel. From this video, you can learn how to control an iPhone from Mac, PC, or mobile devices in different ways. The functionality added by Switch Control was originally intended to help users with disabilities control their devices. Anyone can use Switch Control to gain access to another Apple device as long as both devices are logged into the same Apple account and on the same network. On the controlling device, navigate to Settings, Accessibility, and click Switch Control. Under Switch Control you have 4 tabs: General, Typing, Switches and Navigation. In order to set up switches, go to the 3rd tab and input the switches and the button they represent. The most common ones are Select Item and Move to the next item, and that's how you would navigate around the screen. Under General is where you can enable Switch Control. After enabling the switch, the menu pops up. After that, choose Device. Locate the iOS device you wish to control and select Connect. You can now remotely access the iPhone from another Apple device. In case you don't need a full remote control, and it's enough just to stream your iPhone screen to Mac, play video, music, or show pictures, an inbuilt option screen mirror might be the perfect solution for you. But before we continue, hit that subscribe button and like this video if you want to see more useful guides. On a Mac, go to System Preferences, click Sharing, then select and turn on AirPlay Receiver. Choose an option for Allow AirPlay 4 to allow only devices where you're signed in with the same Apple ID as on the Mac to stream to the Mac. Select Current User. To allow others, select anyone on the same network or everyone. After that, open Control Center on your iPhone. Tap the screen mirroring button, then choose your Mac as the playback destination. Now you can play video, show photos or iPhone desktop on Mac. To access iPhone from Android, you can use AirDroid remote support. Download AirDroid remote support on your supportee iPhone device, then download AirMirror on your supporter Android device. Open AirDroid remote support on the iPhone. Enter the 9-digit code in AirMirror on the Android, then 2 devices will get connected. Now you can use the remote control feature to directly control an iPhone from an Android device. We would appreciate it if you press subscribe and like this video to help support our channel. There are multiple third-party apps you can use to remote control iPhone from Windows, Linux, or macOS devices. Let's take TeamViewer as an example. On the connecting device, open TeamViewer and enter the Quick Support Session ID provided on the iOS device, and establish the remote control connection. On the iOS device, allow remote control. Swipe up on the iOS screen and press and hold the screen recording icon. Select TeamViewer and start the broadcast. The person connecting to the iOS device can then guide the iOS user on solving issues with their device. That's it for today. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment. Stay tuned.